Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for those of you who are looking to make some quick cash online. We'll explore some websites and apps that offer instant payouts, but keep in mind, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Building a real online business is what creates lasting income. Quick cash websites and apps. Factfluence. This platform lets you earn by reviewing music. Artists submit songs for promotion, and you provide honest feedback, getting paid $14 per review. Survey Magic completes surveys and offers to earn cash. They don't pay much, around 20 cents per survey, but it's an option for quick bucks. Audible affiliate program, promote Audible, an Amazon company, and earn $5 when someone signs up for a free trial through your referral link. Website name, get paid for completing surveys, watching videos, downloading games, etc. They boast instant payouts. Mention user reviews with caution. InstaGC, earn gift cards for completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online and searching the web. They've been around since 2011. EarnLab. This app rewards you for surveys, offers, playing games and downloading apps. You can choose gift cards, PayPal or even crypto for payouts. These are just a few options, but remember, they won't make you rich. They're good for a quick start, but for long-term success, consider building a real online business. Building a real online business, huh? Well, here are some ideas for sustainable online businesses. First up, freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. You can offer your skills in writing, design, video editing, and so much more. Then there's YouTube automation. You can build a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads or affiliate marketing. Another great option is social media marketing. You can help businesses leverage platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Don't forget about affiliate marketing, where you promote other companies' products and earn commissions on sales. And finally, content creation. You can write blog posts or articles for websites. Want to learn more about building a real online business? Check out the Online Business Club. It offers step-by-step training programs from industry experts, an active community for support and collaboration, and free resources, giveaways, and even real-life meetups. Head to the link in the description below to learn more about the Online Business Club. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.